Hi all, in this video I want to share some plans for CoderVlogger, especially about video formats that I plan to share, I plan to post as part of CoderVlogger. Um, and hopefully this will be a short video and I will use it as a trailer for the channel. So let's get started. So first type of the videos that you can expect from CoderVlogger from this channel is tutorials. Usually tutorial is a video around one topic, like for example, it can be Java, Spring Boot, and database. And then I will focus on how you can achieve this goal. They are like usually they also come out of my personal projects, or they can be also like public or open source projects. And examples for the next couple of months will include topics around Java and Spring Boot, React, TypeScript, and Next.js. So this is like also stacks that I use for a while, and then I have some projects that I want to share also more about. Using cloud platform, which is in this case will be probably Google Cloud for now. Maybe we will also try some other like AWS or Azure, but mainly for next couple of months it will be Google Cloud. And more importantly, production setup, how you can configure your logs, monitoring, how you set up, like, for example, deployment instances, deployment configuration, and things like this. And last one is cross-platform mobile frameworks. This is something that I plan to use for one of my projects, backend as a service, and I will have some SDKs as part of this project. And I will share my experience, my knowledge once I have examples. And actually, from recent videos, you can already take a look how these tutorials will look like. I hope I will improve quality, but so far we have multiple of them, and in most cases, I will include in the title that this is a tutorial. So next video type is devlogs, like this one. And I will use these videos to share some updates, to share some plans, or even give some progress update related to a certain project. And I think I will probably also mark coding sessions or live streams as a devlogs, so watchers you can distinguish if it is something like short and then on topic specific like tutorial, or this is more like sharing my day-to-day experience. And last, I think this one is most challenging and most interesting for me. It is serious, and what I mean by this is that this like there are probably will be multiple videos, and they are all around this like same topic. For example, few examples that I plan for next couple of months again. Building backend as a service. This is something I work on daily basis, and I plan to share step by step from planning, designing, deployment, development, how you can monitor it in production, and then things like this. And personally, I find it very interesting that it's not only tutorial but also like whole process of making a software application. And I think this is quite interesting to do and also quite challenging for me to do, because you need to, if you start, you need to finish it, and you need to also make it somehow public, so watchers can also understand and also can follow if needed. So this is, as I said, like I want to keep this video short. This is all types of the video that I expect to post in the next coming months. Please let me know if you have any comments or even any suggestions. And then thanks for watching, and see you in these videos.